Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add PBR materials in Roblox Studio to make your 3D models look more realistic. Let's get started. First, import your 3D model into the scene. Just drag and drop it or use the import tool. Next, import your PBR textures. These usually include base color, normal map, metallic, and roughness maps. Now, select your model. You can assign a material directly by choosing one from the material drop-down list, or from the material property. But if you want a custom PBR material, click the small icon below the material button. This opens the material manager at the bottom of your screen. Expand it so we can see all the details on the right side. Click the plus button to create a new material variant. For this example, I'll use a metal variant. Now assign your textures into the material fields. You can paste the texture ID, or just click Import to upload directly from your computer. Add the base color, normal map, metallic, and roughness maps. Finally, select your model and assign the base color texture to its texture property. And that's it. Your model now has a custom PBR material applied. Now you know how to bring your Roblox models to life with PBR materials. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox Studio tips.